Welcome to this third video of the series. Once we've sorted posture and breathing, we can start to look at the sound. Vocal sound is created by passing air through the vocal folds, causing them to vibrate. Vocal folds are misnamed vocal cords. They are flaps of muscle tissue that vibrate together, like the reeds that sound oboe or bassoon or bagpipe, or when we did that thing as a child where you put a blade of grass between your thumbs and blow. Place the thumb and fingers of one hand on your throat on either side of your Adam's apple and hum. You'll be able to feel vibrations. That's where the sound comes from. Everything between there and the ears of the listener will then modify the sound. Your head is the amplifier. The more open space that there is will result in a more resonant sound. If you look at a diagram of the vocal tract, you'll see that the tongue takes up an awful lot of space and is a huge influence on the sound. The lips and jaw make them the main aperture for the sound to escape and are also important. But there's also the nasal cavity. Gently place the thumb and fingers of your hand on your nose while humming, and you should be able to feel the vibrations. Flex your nostrils while you do it, and you can feel and hear how the sound varies. So, if you then squeeze while doing it, you'll find that the sound disappears altogether. It emphasises the effect of the nasal cavity. The jaw is a heavy piece of bone attached just in front of the ears and hinged, and as such is susceptible to the effects of gravity. You might want to do this next bit in front of a mirror so that you can see the effect. So I want you to close your mouth and then just relax the jaw. The mouth will automatically open. Don't force it anywhere, just see where it automatically opens to. So repeat it, and with your jaw relaxed, then raise your eyebrows and notice the effect. Notice that your mouth opens a bit more. The difference is not very much, but it does make a difference. Let's think about the tongue now. So relax the jaw and note the position of your tongue, your relaxed tongue. The tip behind the lower teeth. So find that position and then take a few slow breaths. And you should be able to hear, you should be able to feel cold air on the back of your throat. That sort of indicates that you've got a really open space there. Find that position, take a breath and make a sound. Don't move anything above the lungs. Okay. So vocalize that note and do a glissando down and then a glissando up, just a small one. Don't do anything with your throat or your tongue or your anything. So just again. Now do it on one note and play around with your jaw. So to open and close your jaw. See if you can find the resonant space. Once you've found that resonance space, let's do it again. Find the resonance space, and this time, keeping the tip of your tongue behind your lower teeth, move the rest of your tongue around and feel how it alters the sound. That resonant position with a relaxed jaw and relaxed tongue should be the default position whenever you're singing, whatever the pitch of the note or the word, like that. Let's see what happens if we try our witchy opera note exercise, doing that sort of thing. We're not going to use any words, we're just going to vocalise that sound you've just been making. It's not a particular sound. So find your resonance space and just sing the tune. So it's Somewhere Over the Rainbow, remember? Remember to open your eyes. Okay, same position. Don't move your jaw or your tongue, and do the witchy sound. And try and note what actually happens to produce it. Okay, now produce the opera one. Again, same position, don't move anything. That requires a bit more effort from down in the diaphragm area, doesn't it? Okay, now the astronaut. And now try the whole. Now try and combine them. Here we go. And that's how you find your resonant vocal sound.